What's up, Nelly gang? It's your girl Janana Cole here. Welcome back to my channel. I know it look a little weird right now, but that's because I'm gonna be doing my hair on camera today, and the theme for today is Caribbean. I'm trying to give Caribbean vibes because that's what this hair gives me. So I already got my Caribbean outfit on, so I'm gonna show y'all later in the video, but I just want to talk a little bit about this hair. So this hair is from a company called Sogoodhair. Took probably about like a week to get here. Okay, so the hair that I decided to try was their Brazilian 13x4 lace front wig, deep wave natural hair color, pre-plucked hairline. I got mine, I asked for a size medium cap, 130% density and 20 inches, but the company actually sent me 150% density just to be nice, so I appreciate them for doing that. And I could definitely tell that this is 100% 50 density because it's really thick. So just to recap, I got the Brazilian 13x4 lace front wig, deep wave natural color, pre-plucked hairline in the inch 20 inches, medium cap, and 150 density. So that is the specs on this beautiful hair. So now that you guys know the specs, we're going to get into styling this wig. I have a mirror and like all my stuff here if y'all can see it. Like I got all my products and stuff in like a mirror right here. So if you guys see me looking like down, that's because I have a mirror right in front of me. So y'all already know I gotta take that purple thing off. This is literally how I've been sleeping with the hair for the past couple of days. I've been wearing this hair for like almost a week now, and so yeah. So this is what the hair looks like after sleeping on it and stuff. So yeah, it looks really nice. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up on the hairline. Literally I didn't have to pluck anything because like I mentioned, it was already pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do anything to this hair. I literally just plopped it on my head, y'all. I installed it with the same thing that I always install my wigs with, which is the Got to Be Glued free blasting spray. And it looks like this. And I also use the Got to Be Glued gel. And I always use these two products to apply my wigs. So that's what I use to apply it. So the hair, what I love about this hair is that it's really thick and it's really big. I like how it's fluffy, and I don't know, for some reason it just gives me like Caribbean vibes. And I've been getting so many compliments on this hair. So I'm gonna show you guys how I style it. So I literally only use water and this little mousse. This is the Smooth and Shine Black Seed and Coconut Oil body defying mousse. So what I literally do is I just take the hair and I just spray it a little bit with some water. Like I don't want it to be damp, but I just like to spray it just a little bit with some water. I probably should have got a towel, but that's okay. So I just spray it a little bit with some water, damping it just a little bit because I don't want it to be too wet. I just want it to be wet enough so when I put the mousse in it, it's not like just sitting on dry hair. So yes, this hair is so soft and it's so big, like it's so beautiful. I absolutely love this hair, you guys. This is like one of my favorites for curly hair or wavy hair. Like I love it. It's so easy to deal with. It's so easy to install. Like absolutely amazing. So like I said, I don't want it to be too wet, just wet enough so I can put a little bit of product in it. This wig does shed a little bit, like as you can see. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I did get like a little bit of shedding. So that's the only thing, is this wig does shed a little bit, but other than that, it's pretty good. Like it doesn't really tangle that much, but it does shed a little bit, I will say that. Like if you're styling it, like if you're just going about your everyday thing, it's not gonna be shedding, but when you're like running your fingers through it and stuff, like it sheds a little bit. So yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna take some of this mousse, and my hair is like the hair is like a little bit damp, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'm just gonna take some mousse. This mousse right here is what it looks like. Shake that baby up, and I'm just going to put some in my hand like that. And then I just like to just run it through the top of my head first, like this. And then I get a little bit more mousse, like that much. And then I'm just going to also scrunch this and like run it through the hair like this. It's really, really pretty. You guys can already see my outfit. But yeah. And I just take some more and do the same thing to this side. Just kind of run it through and then just scrunch it in the hair. And this just kind of helps it to get a little bit more defined. And then I'm going to flip my hair to the side like this and just scrunch it in. And flipping it like makes it have more body and stuff, so that's why I also do that as well. Just flip my hair over and I just kind of scrunch it in. And I just continue to add a little bit more mousse in certain areas and just scrunch it all in, y'all. That's literally all that I do. Okay, and then I take just a little bit more mousse, like literally that much mousse, and I just put it at the top of my head, and then I take this bristle brush and I just brush the top of the head, top of my head down like this, so that way it can lay flat like that. And I just tuck this behind my ear, and y'all, that is it. That's literally how I style this hair, or refresh the curls. This is literally what I do. So I'm going to show you guys my outfit with the hair, and then at the end I'm going to give my overall opinion. Okay, you guys, so this is my Caribbean inspired outfit. Like, I feel like it really fits with my hair. Like, my hair is like, hey, you know, it's like, woo, Caribbean vibes, yes. So this is what my outfit looks like. It's really long. See, it's like a long little skirt dress thing. Hey, hey. So yeah, I'm giving you guys Caribbean mamacita vibes. So this is the outfit. I got this skirt from Hot Miami Styles. It has like shorts under it, but I got this skirt thing from Hot Miami Styles. And then this top is just from Walmart. This is like a little tank top thing from Walmart. So yes. Okay, you guys, so my overall opinion on this hair is that it's really pretty. It's really soft. I love the texture. I love how thick it is. It's definitely like really thick hair. So, you know, if you want some really thick, pretty, wavy, curly / curly hair, this is the perfect hair for you. I'm so obsessed with the hairline. Literally, it came pre-plucked. So I didn't have to do anything. I literally just gelled and glued this thing to my head, and that was it. It's such an easy wig to style. I love this wig. I can definitely see myself wearing this more often. I even slept in this wig, and the hair is still really pretty. Really, really, really beautiful. The only thing that I will say is that when you're styling this hair, or when you're like casually running your fingers through this hair, it does shed. So that's one thing that I will tell you to be careful about. It doesn't shed like a lot, but it does shed a little bit, and that's usually kind of normal for curly / wavy hair. So that is the only thing that you'll probably have to worry about with this wig. It does not tangle up. Like, just running my fingers through, it's not even tangling, so I absolutely love that. But like I said, I get like one strand of hair. You guys can't even see that, but just that one strand came from just me barely running my fingers through the hair. I would like to thank Sogoodhair for letting me try out this hair and for sending me this hair. If you guys would like to purchase this hair, or if you know somebody who would love or who would look good in this hair, I will have all of their information down below in the description box. And yes, please make sure that you guys check them out, because this is amazing and it's giving me like Caribbean vibes for some reason. So yes, this is the perfect like island type of hair for, in my opinion. I just feel like this is something that I would wear if I was going to the Caribbeans or like the Bahamas. Like some type of tropical island is where I would wear this hair. So yes, I will leave all of their information down below in the description box. I will also leave my information down below in the description box if you want to follow me on all my social media. Thank you guys so freaking much for watching, and of course, as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.